Good morning. Just wanted to go over the revisions with you. Figured this would be easier, so we'll try it this way. For the first logo, I actually think it's a great scheme. Once again, I need an American football, like the Super Bowl, the NFL, that type of football in here. I think potentially the brown football, like its normal shape, or maybe even this scheme with the black smoke coming out could be a good look. Similar to this Life is the Game, you can do that same type of theme there. Just if possible, make the black metallic, and let's just see how that look goes. Once again, for all of these, the American football is the biggest change that I see. For the color schemes, I want to keep it to black, this style gold, and white if necessary. Just to keep up with the themes of the website. When looking in here, just make that a 9. That's literally all you have to do. Another thing that I just wanted to look at the scheme of, and potentially it'll work, potentially it might not work. Potentially, let's say we had a football in here, and this guy on this side had either a briefcase in his hand or a briefcase on the floor, so that you can just show the difference between where he was to his transformation into the businessman that he is. The brown and gold is actually not bad. Potentially, if we had that same metal look and maybe a metallic brown, this could be potentially a great scheme to go with. Once again, we've talked about that. For this, maybe that metallic gold theme that you had for the outer ring. And then let's try maybe the black and even maybe the white. I've seen metallic white before. I'm not sure if you can fathom how that looks, but let's just do that for an example. It might work, it might not. And that's it for this next set of revisions. Overall, you did a great job. Just a little details for right now that we're caught up with, but I think we can do great with that. All right. Thank you.